Samsung DeX is usually treated like a premium-only feature. Most people believe it's locked to Galaxy S series, Fold series, and high-end tablets. But what if I tell you? That's not completely true. DeX isn't just for flagships anymore. Yes, mid-range Samsung phones actually support DeX. Sounds fake? That's exactly what I thought too. Samsung never clearly advertises this, and most users don't even think to check. So they assume, my phone doesn't have it, and move on. But here's the interesting part. If your phone meets certain conditions, DeX might already be sitting inside your settings. No extra apps, no hacks, no risky tricks. Just one option, hidden in plain sight. So before you upgrade your phone thinking DeX is exclusive, let me show you where to check and how to find out whether your mid-range Galaxy actually supports Samsung DeX. Now, let's jump into the settings and see it for ourselves. This is my Galaxy A53, and this is the phone I actually use for videography on this channel. It's not a flagship, it's a mid-range device, and right now, it's running One UI 8. Now, if you go into Settings, Connected Devices, you'll notice something interesting. There's no Samsung DeX option here at all. At this point, most people would stop and assume this phone doesn't support DeX. Let's double check. If I pull down the Quick panel and look at the tiles, you won't see DeX there either. Even if I tap Edit, scroll through all the available buttons, DeX is simply not listed. It's not hidden here. Alright, let's try searching. If you search for DeX inside the Settings app, nothing shows up. Even if you use Finder Search, DeX still doesn't appear. So now the question is, if DeX exists on this phone, where is it actually hidden? Here's the trick most people don't know. Go back to the Settings app and search for Keyboard instead. Now suddenly, you'll see Samsung DeX appear under the Connected Devices section. Tap on it, and this opens the DeX menu. From here, you can connect your Galaxy A53 wirelessly to another monitor or display. One important thing to note, this does not work by plugging the phone directly into a monitor using a Type-C cable. Wired DeX is still limited, but wireless DeX works, and that alone makes this feature extremely useful on a mid-range phone like this. I tested this on another Samsung mid-range phone that's still running One UI 7, and the feature simply wasn't there. No hidden menu, no workaround, nothing. That's when the pattern became clear. This Samsung DeX option seems to be exclusive to devices running One UI 8. At least for now, that looks like the only real requirement. I checked multiple Samsung mid-range devices, and every phone that had been updated to One UI 8 had this DeX option available in the same way. Unfortunately, I don't currently have any supported wireless display or cast devices, so I couldn't personally test the full DeX connection, but the feature itself is clearly present and accessible. That said, I'm not the only one who noticed this. Several users on Reddit have already shared their experiences, confirming that wireless DeX works on One UI 8 updated mid-range phones. I'll drop links to those Reddit posts in the description below, so you can check real-world experiences and supported setups shared by the community. Samsung DeX on mid-range phones is real. It's just hidden and tied to One UI 8. If your Galaxy device is already updated, definitely check it out, and let me know in the comments whether you see the DeX option on your phone. I'm curious to see which models support it. And this is just one of many things Samsung doesn't openly talk about. I'm working on a video covering more new hidden Samsung features, and that one's coming next week. So make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.